Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Honda CBR500R. This is a twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected sport bike. Lightweight, easy to handle, but yet it's plenty big enough for those 30, 40-mile commutes you get in the Bay Area. Bike goes only 3,300 miles. 10 months of factory warranty left on this unit, just $54.99. Save over $1,000 off the price of a new one. This is a great looking sport bike with a comfortable riding position. You'll notice the rise on the handlebars. So you get the great looks, but you also get a great comfortable ride. CBR500R, we have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Just $54.99, only 3,300 miles. Make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.